Oh man, guys, Home Depot did it again. They put it on sale, so I finally couldn't say no. Can't beat that $200 deal for that. And it fits my already Packout bin kit, which is amazing. Now, one thing I'll say, and I have to, is Milwaukee's warranty. Holy smokes. So my drill went. And as we all know, with everything going on in the world right now, I didn't think I would get any service. Well, what they did is they took my drill back, and then their office sent me a brand new drill. Because my other one, it would work when it wanted to. It would just stop working. So I'm super excited to have this now. And now, because of that amazing service, I went out and bought me one of these. But the thing is Milwaukee and Home Depot love their zap straps, right? So, gotta cut all the zap straps on both sides so I can give you the unboxing of the boxes. Check that out. All right, first layer. Here, I will put certain screw parts and stuff. Perfect. I've needed this for a while because sometimes you just want to bring this in. You don't want the whole thing, right? Well, this is sealed. And does it have more storage? That's actually cool that it has more storage in here. Oh, wow. So, take a look at that. We got a little bit more storage, which is perfect. And it's got some center storage, so if you have your own parts kits, you can slip them in here. It even looks like it's got a spot for their own Packout packs that you can pack up in there. It's got the divots so they don't slide around in there. So they'll probably sink into here and you can pack them up. So let's take a look here. Do this. I guess I could have shown you guys my drill kit one first. I definitely suggest if you're gonna buy a fuel kit, if you can get it with the Packout, it's cheap. I think I got that for like, it was either $2.99 or $3.99. It was a Boxing Day sale anyway. Bigger one. Comes with a piece of plastic tray there, so you can put, if you have some more parts or tools that you want. I swear, Milwaukee stuff comes smelling like cigarillos, and I have no idea why. And the last and bottom one, which again, I guess is not going to let me fully open it. I don't know. Anyways, that's where you can dump all your other big heavy stuff, because you want all the heavy stuff on the bottom to keep this thing. But what's cool is they make them double indented so you can move things around, which makes things a little bit easier. Perfect. But yeah, like I said, your Packout here at least comes with foam, so your drills and stuff aren't rattling around. But that being said, if you buy an extra battery pack, it does have to sit in one of these ones because it does not fit in here. I've tried to put an extra battery pack in here before, and I strongly suggest that you don't, because there is no convenient way it sits. So now that we've got that, I'm going to grab my old backpack that's over there and do them up. Now, one thing that was driving me nuts, which I have to admit, is I got the Craftsman ones here, and I find these Craftsman Packouts for parts to be a little bit better than the Milwaukee ones. They're cheaper. I think I got these for like 30, 40 bucks each. And I remember I looked at the Milwaukee ones and they were like $60 each. So like, that's crazy. You can buy two Craftsman for the price of one, and they've still got the weather seal around them, and they're still great. Who knows though, I might end up swapping those out one day. So if this works, I should be able to finally retire the backpack, because WCB here in Canada doesn't want me wearing that backpack anymore. They're saying it's getting way too heavy, which I totally agree with. I put it on a luggage hook and it said it weighed 83 pounds. So it's a little too much to be hulking in and out. So we'll put it in this, which will work for some time, but at the same time, for certain customers where I'm working in their house, they're gonna really not want to have that rolling across their floor. So you do have to bring it up or in piece by piece. But if you're working like a condo or something, it makes it nice because you can just wheel it into the elevator, bring it up, and you don't have to have a separate trolley and put your tools on top of the product and all that other crap. So in the certain ways, I do like it. I'm gonna try and organize this the best I can and go from there. But at least it gives you a view of this Milwaukee Packout, because it's gonna make my job a heck of a lot easier. Thanks again for watching. Press the like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.